Now, perceptual computing is about bringing natural user interactions with computing. It's about gestures, it's about speech, it's about augmented reality, it's about facial recognition. Up until now, we interact with the machines, but now we have the compute power for the machines to understand what you need. So meeting the intentions of the user, and that's where the term perceptual comes in. It's about making it natural and intuitive, and where the machines understand you.
It's much more complicated.
Imagine looking for a specific song you want to play. How would you do that today with your PCs today? Using voice, you can just ask it to play a song. You imagine searching the internet or being able to do your social networking, being able to tweet or go to Facebook, and all using without having to type or do anything else on the screen, just being able to speak to the machine to help do some of these things. So it's not just about this replacing touch or this replacing a keyboard. It's more about having the best experience in interaction with the computing devices. What we have is we have a kind of a chat-like window where I can see him on the screen. But the beauty of this is it's an interactive game. Now we are actually going to be playing a game virtually, and this is one of those examples of Connect 4. And I can actually, we've got to connect 4 of these squares, and now it's his turn. So you're basically playing the same game, but today we are standing right here but playing between 2 systems, but over future imagine being across the world and playing with your family interactive games in a virtual space. Basically a game called Kung Pao Kevin, where it teaches you some kung fu tricks for kids and anybody to go play with. And so basically he has to follow his actions. The idea here, it's called a game called Million Minions, and you have to squish the objects that are coming in. There are multiple gestures you can actually interact with these characters, but again, a very fun, easy to play, casual game. And as you can see, the camera itself is a USB powered camera, and it works off a single USB port, and it's about 2 watts of power. What computers have is the performance to manage a vast amount of data, a lot more than we can process real time through our brains. So, the computers then become very, very contextual to your environment. So they are sensing you, they know what you want, they're aware of you, and they're helping you be more productive, be more collaborative, and basically enrich your life in a very subtle manner, but you get to do what you want to do all the time.